Hey guys, my name is Agni and you're watching Golden Fox. Here goes the day 2. I stayed for 3 nights in Delhi and later we started for Amritsar. So these 2 days were all about the required installation parts for my bike. I bought many things and got it fixed on my bike. Like I got my mobile holder fixed and bought few bungees for my luggage and my bike. Got my lights fixed, got knuckle guards fixed. Also, I went to buy riding boots and riding pants. Bought a pair of knee guards. So I hope you guys enjoy the time lapse I made for whatever I did in these 2-3 days. Hope you guys like it and enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next update. Ride hard, ride safe, mask on. Signing off, Agni this side. Have a great day.